Long time me a bad and no nothing me a account. But from before over sting get flap out. But from before ninja man them crack out. But from before gully back tea drop out. But from before...
Welcome back. This a piece of video, yeah. Short and sweet. You remember back in the days, even Bounty Killer called Clash competition. Ninja Man always refer to it as competition because guess what? That's what it was and that's what it should be. Two artists compete against each other lyrically if you see who can devour the next. You understand? And then tomorrow the hype gonna be around you and you ride that wave. Anyways, this is a short piece of competition with a dread and a bald head. Let's watch and enjoy.
You a try find new shot to find your head. Shoulda listen when your mother say fi find your bed. See they know why?
Your father a Christian, why you never baptized with him? Eagle a fly but not like pigeon. Rifle them tall but not like kitchen.
The first round, I don't know who to give it, but it told them going bad. We might just give it to the ball.
Don't take me a Christian. Me a the word that me we take away a girl and be a girl man. Me lyrically mad, me need a injection. Wonder how me sit and hold my meditation and how me make me song them at perfection. But just keep back and watch me motion. Lyrics flow up on her skin just like lotion.
The girl them a talk so you fear them. If I like defend yourself, make we hear then. I choose so you wash your girl underwear them. And when she can't find them, you are wear them. And so you...
Round 2, definitely go to the jail. What wanna say? Agree or disagree?
Rasta, let me tell you, you're not bad at all. Grand spend we make your mother ball. And a funeral, voice mailbox when your mother call. See that, your head a boom like a ball. When me say,
hey, he come a war and a boss, you know. See man him friend them a toast, you know. That's why me a got on him in a ghost, you know. Ching, boy head a roast, you know.
Round 3, Rasta take it with ease. What wanna say?
What's that about roast? When you have pork that a fry, you will die in your brain shot a fly. You know bad me say you a guy, you a man, you a gay any.
Long time me a bad and no nothing me a account. But from before over sting get flap out. But from before ninja man them crack out. But from before gully back tea drop out. But from before...
Yo! Rasta win. It's over. Cut. Done. Comment below who you think take this clash. BoBo Jed or Baldhead. Thanks for watching. If you don't like it, like it. If you don't like it, leave a comment. If you don't like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, share it so somebody else can like it. Bless.